Hello everyone, welcome to Informatica. My name is Shruti. In this video, I am going to demonstrate how to limit the number of rows in a mapping. Agenda. We will see the purpose of limiting the number of rows in a mapping, followed by a short demo. Testing purpose. Say for example, the source table has millions of records. Then testing that mapping becomes an overhead. In such situation, it is important to limit the number of records coming from the source. Performance tuning. You might have a scenario where it is important to limit the number of lines to be read from the source table when designing a power center mapping for performance reasons. Troubleshooting. Say for example, in production, a record is missing from target table. To understand why that particular record is missing in the target table, we can use a source qualifier query which will read only that particular record, and we can further troubleshoot where exactly the data is getting dropped in the mapping pipeline. Let's see the demo. For testing purpose, at session level, we have an option called Enable Test Load. You can find this property in the Properties tab of a session. When you enable this, you can mention the number of rows to test. But however, this will not load any data in the target table. So, the best approach to limit the number of rows in the source is to have a source qualifier SQL override. You can see that my source table is having around 14 millions of data, and I want to read only first 3 records from this table. It could be for testing purpose or for troubleshooting purpose. To achieve this in Informatica, you can add a filter in the source qualifier. Open the source qualifier, go to Properties tab and add your query here. I have added select top 3 from the source table. You can also add where clause in the source qualifier query. Note: you cannot add a filter here for a flat file source. After running the session, we can see the source qualifier query in the session log. Also, in the load summary, we can see the number of rows got inserted in the target table. In this video, we have learnt how to limit the number of data from the source using source qualifier SQL override. We would love to hear from you. Send your feedback to supportvideos@informatica.com. Our Twitter handle is infasupport. Thank you.